How to enable NSFW content on Linkey Character AI app. So let's get into this app here. First of all, you have to just open your mobile application on your phone here on your device. Now on the top left side corner, you will see your profile icon. So you have to, log in into this. So I will just use my Google account here. Then you will able to see this option here. Now on the top right side corner, there will be a settings icon here. Now below the language, there will be, show NSFW content. If you're not able to see just like me here, because there is a age issue in your account. So on the top right, you will see this edit icon. Now you have to, make your profile here. So I will just make my profile, right? And here, make sure you change your age. So you can set it up to 2000 or 2001, something like that, about 18 years. Right, now once you have done this, you have to save it. You have to also write your character description and everything. And now you have to tap on the settings gear icon and you will be able to see show NSFW content and you can turn this on. Right, so even if you just go to this, official support here, and if I just ask them how to turn on NSFW content, right, they will show me the exactly same thing here. Right, so here you can see to turn on the NSFW content, you need to set your age on your profile page first. After that, go to the settings page and you will find this option. If you have any other questions, this is how you can do this, right? And if you're not getting this, then just wait for some time, because once you change your age, automatically you will be able to find this option. Thanks for watching this video.